on my dog, and he will find you and he will bite you. Good. So he's a
tracker, right?
Yeah, no.
He's not a tracker?
He's an area search. He's not line tracker.
Okay.
So,
if he finds somebody, I mean, how's he gonna know?
She's the only one out here. Huh? No one else is out here. This works out perfectly.
Alright, that's fine.
And we're gonna start an area search. We're gonna do comms. I'm gonna give one more announcement to get him going. Alice Holt! Sheriff's Department with the K-9! Come out now! I'll send my dog, and he will find you and he will bite you! So he had something. Yeah, good boy. So, Foss! Foss, good boy! Foss, a good boy! Crawl out! Crawl out!
Stop!
Crawl out!
You're sticking my arm up!
Stop, get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Put your hands out, stop yelling! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back! Stop resisting. Here you go. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Look at that!
Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Relax. He will stop. He will stop when you stop. Stop screaming. Stop talking. Los.
Chewing on my fucking arm.
Let him relax.
Good boy.
Put your hands behind your back.
Good boy. Hands behind your back, or you.
What do you want me to do? What the fuck do you want me to do, you fucking prick? That fucking dog, dude, fucking holds to my arm. I can't fucking move my arm.
Right here. That's a good boy.
You guys didn't hear jumping.
Remove your shirt.
It's bloody! My God, look at that! Please, somebody help! Look at that!
Just relax. Get her. Just get her in cuffs.
Trying to get her shirt. Okay.
That's a good boy.
I can't!
Stand up. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Alice, stand up. Stand up.
I'm gonna go put him away. Come on, buddy. Oh boy. Hey, come here, buddy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, buddy. Come here.
That's a good job, buddy. Good boy.
Maybe you can take some on and just swim around the hospital.
Oh, for sure. I'm rolling.
We're gonna slide you out towards us, okay? It's gonna hurt. Don't move. Alright, put your leg down. Alright, let's get some vitals, check out that arm, and go from there.
She's a suspect in a 10851 case, and then she slipped her cuffs from here, and then she ran into the brush, and then that's when we found her.
Alright. Wish she had been on her arm.
Well, she didn't have any shoes on either.
Oh, bet you won't run anymore.
Yeah.
Well, she don't have any shoes on.
Pick up.
No, I gotta go interview another suspect.
It makes it easy.
So, the lady at the hair shop, one of the ladies at the hair shop, apparently,
Freezing.
About an hour and a half from here to Inver.
Hour and a half?
Yeah.
We prefer to go westbound because we're gonna have to go to the BDF.
No, we're talking about maybe flying her. It's an hour and a half to the hospital for where she needs to go. There's a dog bite, so
Yeah.
yeah, let's do that.